throughout history, a revolution has been needed in order to make a change. The Red Devil Culinary Arts Program wants to change the way you see food. Welcome to the Red Devolution.
Good morning and welcome. We are going to make Central High's version of a Western omelet today. What we need to do is we need to start with our peppers and onions. So I've got my lovely assistant Paisley flag behind me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side of the pepper first, and we're going to trim the rib, and we're going to dice this up real quick. Just need about maybe 2 tablespoons. And I tell you what, while I'm getting this, Paisley, if you don't mind getting the skillet heating up with a little bit of oil in there, figure about 2 tablespoons worth. So I've got the green peppers diced. Now we're going to dice up a little bit of a red onion here. Alright, so we've got about 2 tablespoons of red onion. We've got about 2 tablespoons of diced green pepper. So we're going to wait for our oil to get hot. But while in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack our eggs. I'm going to try to crack our eggs. We're going to add just a little bit of heavy cream to it. And we're going to add our salt and pepper. I'm going to have Paisley, if you don't mind, whisk that up together for us. All right, so our oil looks like it's about to get hot, so we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables first. So while that's getting cooked, we've got our eggs ready to go, we've got our plate. What we're going to do is we're going to add some bacon. A lot of times people add ham to their Western omelets. I like bacon in mine preferably. And also, we make, for our restaurant here, a smoked tomato salsa. It's for one of our chicken dishes. However, I really felt like this would go perfectly with this omelet. So, while Paisley is cooking these peppers and onions, I'm going to go ahead and add the bacon at this point. Now the bacon is already cooked, so we just need to make sure we don't burn it in the skillet. So Paisley's going to kind of toss it around a little bit. And once that pan gets really, really hot and the onions are 50% cooked, what we call translucent, we're going to go ahead and add our egg mixture. What do you think? You think it's ready for the eggs?
I think about 20 seconds.
I can't count that high, so you're going to have to let me know when.
I think that was fine.
That was for about 12. Now what Paisley's going to do is we're going to let the edges set a little bit. And once they start to set, what Paisley's going to do is she's going to take a rubber spatula and sort of push into the middle and bring back the raw egg, sort of tilting the pan a little bit as she does it. What that does, that allows the eggs to cook without actually scrambling them, because we don't want to scramble an omelet. Now see how she's tilting the pan a little bit? Beautiful. Now we're going to get ready to flip this in about 5 or 10 seconds. It's just about ready to go. So what she needs to do is kind of shake the pan to make sure it's not sticking. And then once we flip it, we're going to put our cheese mix on there, which is cheddar and pepper jack cheese. Someone's a little nervous. It's all right, she can do this. Beautiful. Only about 10% of the omelet wound up on the floor, so that's good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our cheese mix. Now again, which is pepper jack cheese and cheddar cheese, which is a nice mix for a Southwest omelet. So because that omelet was about 75% cooked before she flipped it, it's just about ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the heat off. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the plate to fold it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this to our plate over here. We'll use the pan. We're gonna fold it right in half. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our smoked tomato salsa. Right on top. And there you have it. Western omelet, Red Devolution style.